What is up, my friends? Today we are going to unbox the IGNIK Gas Growler, and we're going to talk about first impressions, and we'll use it for the first time. So let's get into it. First of all, this is not sponsored. I bought this with my own money. Kim and I bought this with our own money. So this is a completely, it's not even really a review, it's an unboxing. So we're going to talk about what's in the box. What's in the box? What's in the box? Alright. We don't need that. We don't need the box no more. First of all, let me talk about why I bought this. Because you can certainly get this for, you can have the same setup for cheaper. And if you've noticed anything with my gear choices, I'm a sucker for good marketing. IGNIK certainly has some great branding and marketing, so that definitely drew me in. Drawn to this one a few months ago because we use so many of those green propane bottles now that I just I wanted to invest in a reusable situation. That's what brought me here. I really liked the carrying case. The hose it comes with is already regulated for the Coleman stoves. So a buddy of mine went and purchased a 5-pound propane tank, but he has to buy a separate regulator, which, you know, is cheap and fine, but I sort of wanted a, what do they call it, turnkey solution. So, alright, what do we have here? Be the change, every gas growler keeps 480 single-use propane bottles from the landfill. Great news. It's exactly why I bought it. Alright, I don't want to damage this. How do I get this off of here? Oh god. There's like this, look at that. It's like, I know you can't really see it, but it's like all twisted metal. Twisted Metal, great video game. Okay, there we go. I just don't want to damage anything. It's exciting. This is an exciting unboxing. Alright, 20 years later, we got the tag off. Alright. So it's pretty snug inside the carrying case. Looks like we've got some instructions here. Oh, do I get a sticker? Sweet. A Be the Change sticker. You love to see it. Thank you. Our support is helping keep waste out of landfills and protect the Arctic. You love to hear it. So, carrying case is really nice and beefy. It's like some sort of Cordura material, I guess. It's got these nice little padded things on the inside that keep the propane tank held in there. It's got one on the bottom as well. Maybe the first thing I would say is, I don't know if I love the white. The white is gonna get dirty really quickly for us. So, I mean, everything we have gets dirty really quickly, but, you know, when it's, maybe if it was this brown color, it wouldn't be as drastic, but no big deal. Alright, so, we've got a little zip tie here. Can I get it with my keys, is the question. Nope. Let me go get a knife. Alright. There we go. Zip tie off. Alright. So, I mean, it's all pretty straightforward. I think certainly the carrying case is a pretty big deal for us because you know, we can't mount it on the outside of our car. It's basically, it has to sit either in our rooftop box or inside. So, you know, having this exposed to potentially be rattled around inside is definitely no good. So, the carrying case is really nice, and you know, I can't imagine that we're even going to get close to using this entire bottle. Like, this will last us easily 3 months, you know, because typically we'll go on a trip an average at least every other weekend. So this is going to be plenty of propane, because even the 1 pound tanks for us will last probably about 2 trips. If we're cooking a lot, 1 trip. But all right, so let's see what we need to do here. So we're gonna have to go fill this up before we give it a proper test with the Coleman stove. Propane and propane accessories. All right, we got our propane tank all filled up. That was $4. That's insane. Not even $1 per pound of propane. And those Coleman bottles are usually $5 or $6 at the gas station or the grocery store. So that's gonna definitely save us a whole lot of money very quickly. So, let me grab the instructions. This is all pretty straightforward, but I still like to look at the instructions just in case. So, tighten this bad boy on. Wrongly threaded. It's nice that you can keep it in the case while you're using it as well. Again, I don't love the white. It's gonna get dirty really quickly, but the case is nice. I'm glad that we have the case. It's gonna protect it from getting dented or anything like that, especially when it's sitting in the rooftop box, possibly getting tossed around. So again, this hose is ready to hook right onto the stove, which is really nice that you don't need a regulator. I really like, they have another product that's like a propane heater that I think we might get eventually, depending on if we can use it inside of a tent. Turn on the fuel, open it up, and operate device. Need to open it all the way, maybe. Boom. She's a-working. First impressions, I think if you're gonna buy a propane tank, like, the benefits of having a propane tank are obvious to everybody. It's cheaper, it's reusable, it's more eco-friendly, all that good stuff. I love that the hose is already the proper type of hose for the stove, because I mean, this is pretty much the only reason we use propane at camp. I think eventually we might get some more propane heated devices, but for now, this is what we use it for. And I was so tired of buying those Coleman bottles. Really like it. It's a nice quality. The case is a nice quality. It's got nice protective stuff on the inside here. And yeah, we're gonna use it this weekend. Okay, so probably the question that you're really wondering is it worth $130? Personally, I would say yes. Again, I'm a sucker for some good marketing and branding, but they seem like at least a trustworthy company, or like if something actually went wrong, as far as I know, they would replace it. I haven't really done a ton of research on that yet. Very simple product, very easy to use. I've never really used propane grills or anything like that before in the past, so I mean, this is literally so easy. I went to the gas station, got it filled up for $4, quick and easy. So this is gonna save us a ton of money. It's gonna probably save us some time. If you have any questions about it or anything, we're gonna be testing it out this weekend. So let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Hey, thanks again for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing. We do a lot of trip videos out here in Oregon, and we also sporadically do some gear review and unboxing videos. So if that's something that interests you, we'd love to have you along for the journey.